again, and we are back ang mga Bicolanang magayon. Ayan, so ako po si Wilma, together with my business partner, which is still behind the camera. Now they're back. So ayan. So, today is May 16. Can you imagine that? We're halfway, almost, in a year na. Ang bilis lang ng panahon, ano? So, May 16. Today is Saturday. Now it's 11:07 on my end. So ako po si Wilma Yan, igdi sa Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Tubong Daet, Camarines Norte. And then napadpad na igdi sa Edmonton, I think I'm 16 years ago. So together with my family here, I'm still working full-time po and doing this digital business as my side hustle. So our topic for today is about social media. Sabi daw, the new search engine. Are you using it right? So, yan po ang topic tangon niya. So, hopefully, maka-join ka mo. So, please, whoever is watching right now, wherever you may be, I'm sure basta may wifi ka mo dyan, may data, we are all good to go. So, sabi nga ni, ang social media mo niyan is, yun na ang new trend. Wherever we go, we are always in the online space. Ayan. So, ang setup, perfect ano po ini setup kasi we're doing the group live in our Facebook business page. So, please tune in and hopefully madawag po nindo until the end ang aming topic. So, I'm sure nakulong dyan ang makaka-relate. So, I'll pass on the stage or the microphone to whoever wants to go first.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Wilma. Ako po si Dals, Diyos Maray na Aga from Vancouver, British Columbia. It is 10 o'clock in the morning po dito sa Muya. Ako po originally from Bicol, from Calabanga, Camarines Sur, and maduwang dekada na po ako dito sa Vancouver. And may dua po akong aki, and then a corporate mom, and then also a digital online business owner as well, same as this Wilms. And yon, ang sa kuya pong naitukar na topic is gonna be I'll do Bicol English then. Sabi ni Sis Wilma, social media is the new search engine. Aware po kita na even mga aki ngunyan, may mga cellphones na. And kitang mga adults, ang question ko is, are we using it right? Are we maximizing the potential of social media? So, every day, gabos sa kahaputan ta, even mga medical issues, hinahaputa kay Google o kay ChatGPT na, which is not advisable, but everything na lang, gabos na lang. Even mga home remedies or how to do things, gabos na bagay, hinahaputa over our cellphone or social media. Or even mga knowledge base is hali sa social media like Facebook, YouTube, yung mga TikTok, mga Reels, mga Instagram. Bako na lang siya ngunya na entertainment, kundi naging na siyang powerful tool para makanood kita ng mga kung ano-ano mga bagay. Minsan nga ni, di man dapat. Depende sa age. And then it's also a way to connect and create opportunities. Like, kami po, yung common denominator kaming lima is the digital business that we have. We started it because of the use of social media. Okay. So, how does social media change the way we learn things or we search things up? Okay. Dati, most of the time, I don't know how many years ago, gamitan yung ginagamit sa Google para maaraman ang mga bagay-bagay. Now, we search things through what?
Mm. Social media.
Social media, the TikTok, the
Oh,
Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, andiyan na lahat. Um, for example, ano mga common questions na minsan nasusubukan kitang ihapot sa ibang tao or i-research sa library. I don't know if people still go to the library, but me and the kids, we do. Um, ang mga common questions: how to earn extra income, how to start earning money, or let's say best jobs in Canada, best jobs in Vancouver, work from home ideas, immigrants' life in Canada, mga RGM. Um, ngunyan, yan ang mga kahaputan ta. By using the social media, anong klaseng answers ang nakukuata? Mga real life answers. Kasi 'di ba minsan ang mga pigpo-post nila, yung mga buhay talaga nila. Or even kita, as a business owner, since we use the social media, yung mga pinopost yung mga daily activities sa buhay. Although ako recently di masyado ka para posting live or mga videos, but I do. Yes, and yun yung mga authentic stories na hali sa mga real na tao, bakong hali sa mga personalities or mga actors and actresses or mga ano po kaya, permitang nahihiling sa movie screen. So, ngunyan, kita na ang mga actors and actresses sa totoong buhay. Sino-showcase ta sa diritan. Ang buhay ta. How is it like living in Montreal na haloy ang winter time? How about in UK? Ano ba ang lifestyle sa UK? Ano ba ang mga pinagkakaabalahan kang mga immigrants sa UK? Mga ano kaya? Yeah, so, yung mga tao, yung mga viewers we look at, we track people based sa nahihiling nila. Or ako, pagkakatiwalaan ko, ang sarong content creator or sarong business owner, sabihin natin ng business owner, depende sa nahihiling ko sa postings niya. Dungo niyan usuhon na ang AI, pero may mga AI pa rin mahihiling mo pa din yung consistency kang sarong content creator. And mahihiling mo din yung sincerity or yung truth sa content niya. Bako lang yung puro AI na lang. Okay lang na naka-AI pero mahihiling mo din ang consistency kang sarong tao base sa mga postings. Yun. Also, um, I will trust the person sa mga personal journeys niya. Kasi di man gabos, di man gabos sinasabing bed of roses. May mga ups and downs ang tao. Kitang mga tao, mga inaagihan. And then, yeah. And then yung mga relatable contents. Like ako, as a mom of with young adults, like madali ako makarelate sa mga mommies man na may same na sitwasyon ko. 'Di ba? Mga same na pinag-aagihan sa buhay. So, ining mga contents na ini or mga ads or mga reels na ini yung pigpupurosta is equivalent man lang yan sa advertisements kung sa TV kita madalan. Kumbaga mga different ways of showcasing or showcasing ourselves. Yan. Kaya, kita, even mga ordinaryong tao, as we say, bako kitang mga movie stars, bako kitang mga singers, mga actors and actresses. Pero, as an ordinary mom, like me, or a caregiver, or an immigrant, or a nurse, or whoever or whatever you do, we do have a voice online. Gabos kita, kumbaga, parehas kita, patas kita. We have all the rights and freedom to showcase ourselves, to share our experiences. So, of course, kay puwanta din maging responsible. Ayan. In every freedom, there's always it comes responsibility, 'di ba? So, ngunyan, social media becomes today's version of word of mouth. Kung kadto yan istoryahan sa telepono ganla or gayan ngunyan mabiliso na ang communication, mabiliso na ang information. And ako na-overwhelm din ako. I admit that. Saro sa mga I would say negative effect kang social media or kaning internet is too much information. Too much information. Kaya kaipuhan ta din na kumbaga magsara ng information kasi minsan overwhelming and minsan nakaka-stressful yung mga nagkakahiling ta sa sa social media. Anyway, so yun. Did I? Okay. I thought I missed something. So with that and because dahil ang tao naghahanap ng katotohanan, yung sincerity na sinasabi ko. Okay, the next speaker will talk about why authenticity matters more than perfection online. Ako as a content creator, as a business owner, so I do post. Nag-abot sa point na masyado akong perfectionist sa mga postings ko. Nahaluyan ako mag-post dahil gusto ko perfecto siya. But I learned from Sam Hind, one of the kumbaga, sabi ko ng ano na siya, worldwide, ang tawag nito?
She's like an expert.
Expert pag-abot sa social media, pag-abot sa mga ganing bagay. So, sinabi niya na we don't have to be perfect, na okay lang na dawa may muta ka pa dyan, mag-live ka, or dawa anong itsura mo, it is okay. Because ang importante is nahihiling yung realidad mo. Kumbaga, you don't have to put makeup on to be able to post araw kayan. So authenticity matters more than the performance or the perfection na pinapahiling ta as a content creators. So ang masunod po sa kuyang speaker, iyan ang sa iyang i-discuss and which is si Lisa. And thank you po.
Thank you, Sis Tal. So, ang maray po, marhay na banggi po sa Indogabos. I'm coming to you live here in UK po. Bicolana din po, coming from, originally from Darag Albay. So, nagatuga ang mga mayon nga na. So, di arani ako yan sa Bulkang mayon. So, but I've been living and working here in UK for more than 23 years. I'm a nurse by profession po, and then also a business owner at the side. Kapareho ko po ining mga kaibanan kong magagayon. So, really, why authenticity? My topic really more is why authenticity wins on social media. I think one thing na we need to, di ba ngayon, one thing that people are tired or pagod na yung pagiging, sabi mo nga Sis Dals, yung pagiging perfect. You need to be you, sinasabi niya. So, nowadays, ang mga tao, they connect more on the real struggle, the real journey, and the real growth. So, di ba kung minsan makita natin sa YouTube, yung iba is because they are being themselves. Kaya nga din ako nung when I started the online business, sabi ko nga, una, obviously, because this is ang online business, sabi ko, I asked myself, but I started kung bakit ko sinimula ng online business. Sinasabi nga nila, your story is you, kung ano ka, because you can resonate sa mga taong kagaya mo din. So, you don't need to look rich, you don't need to be perfect. Only you need to do is to inspire other na naghahanap din ng pagbabago sa buhay. So, kaya nga sometimes, sinasabi nga nila, yung mga content natin, simple lang. Meron akong nakikita which is for us. We know that our online business is an attraction marketing with a social attraction marketing and a social media advertising. So, pinapakita natin talaga behind kung ano ang opportunity ng yung mga ano ang binibigay na opportunities ng online business, 'di ba? Ano bang struggle natin? Bakit natin ang pinasok ang online business? So the struggle that one, so maraming makaka-resonate sa iyo. Example for us, you're a busy mom or mga restaurant owner tayo, pagod na tayo. You want something flexible, you want something freedom. And maraming nakaka-relate, pwedeng maraming makarelate sa inyo. Kaya dahil sa ganoon, they will be hooked in you. They will be the one to magre-reach out sa inyo because that is one thing, you are attracting people who are really same like you, di ba? Yung mga lessons na nakuha mo sa buhay, yung mga experience mo, makasabi, ay, nakaka-relate ako dyan. So, yun ang kagandahan nga sa yung pagiging natural mo. Tama nga yung sinasabi mo, Sister Dals, tayo ang artista ng ating buhay, di ba? Artista tayo ng ating buhay. Hindi na kailangan natin pang mag-peke kasi yun. That is our story. Kaya at least yung journey natin, example, lahat tayo immigrant, we are working abroad. So somehow, lahat ng mga Pilipino overseas, malalaman nila, akala nila ang buhay sa abroad is mayaman ka na, which is in reality it's the opposite. Yes, we are hello, si Sis Gina is watching us. Thank you for watching us, ang sis. And so yun yung sinasabi, Coach Gina. Isa po si Gina sa mga top na nasa online business. So she is privileged for us to join us, Coach Gina. So yun ang sinasabi ko na yung totoo, artista na tayo ng ating buhay. And alam ko maraming makaka-relate. Sabi ko nga, yung nasa abroad tayo, di ba? So yung lesson, yung story natin, that is already one good na title, di ba? Title ng ating istorya sa buhay. So people can relate being honest. Tama nga yung sabi mo, kahit nga nakapajama ka lang, anong ginagawa mo sa bahay, yung you can, kaya di ba, ang ating mga supporting, sinong ating mga supporting mga actor, actresses, yung ating pamilya, yung ating anak, yung ating asawa. So all in one.
Pati pets.
Oo. So ang kailangan mo lang talaga is yung story mo. Bakit mo, di ba? Bakit mo pinasok ang online business? Anong hinahanap mo? So para makaibsa, ay oo nga, ako yan. Matingnan ko nga kung ano tong business na to, di ba? Kung nakaya niya, yun ang sinasabi, you are giving them an inspiration na kung nakaya niya, kaya ko din. Di ba? So yun ang kagandahan nun. Example niyan is yung busy mom, di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, pagod na, doble ang trabaho, double job, pero nagagawa pa din. So you are giving an example for them. You are giving hope. You are giving hope to others na meron pa pala na pag-asa na mabago. And I think our story can attest to that, di ba? Sabi nga natin, meron na tayo sa ating mga leaders natin that they really have 4 jobs, 3 jobs, and now they're enjoying it. Why? Because they can relate kung sino man yung nakita nilang mga mentor, di ba? So, yun ang kagandahan ngayon ng social media. Noon, sabi ko nga, and I think si Sis Jed can attest to that, na having a traditional business, now she's now full-time on the online business. Nakita niya, di ba? Nakita na niya yung ano ang benepisyo na makukuha nito. And that is because of the social media. Sinasabi nga natin, noon napaka-limited lang ng ating market. But because of the social media, talagang lumawak. Kahit naman tayo, ako nasa UAE, Dals, and then si Swelms, and then si Coach Jean nasa Canada, si Sis Jed nasa UAE. So tingnan mo, and what it does is that nagkapare-pare tayo, di ba, mga Bicolana, o naghahanap ng online business, and we are reunited. So kaya yung mga people, kaya ang susunod na nito is natin kung social media is more than really scrolling, di ba? There's something talagang scroll lang na nagtitingin. And then, but there are some really who is using social media to look for something. And that is the time that you have to show yourself kung ano pwedeng ma-offer natin as you. Di ba? So natin. So, ang susunod na magiging ang topic will now be in how to use social media the right way. Kasi nga sa social media, kahit malaki pa to, kailangan nating alamin kung how to use it wisely para naman kahit mapano is magamit mo ito ng sa tama at mapakinabangan. So, I think, I'm not really sure. I think it is ang news, Sis Jed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
so
Yes.
pass the button to you.
Yeah, it's my turn. Hello, everybody. Hello, lovely ladies. Ayan. And hello, Coach Gina. Shout out. And yeah, thanks for watching us.
See you.
Yeah. Hello, guys. I am Jed. And yeah, nabanggit na nga ni Ate Manilis kanina na I'm based in UAE. And I am an engineer by profession. And I had run my traditional business, restaurant business here in the UAE for years, for a number of years. And recently, I had let it go, and now I'm full time digital entrepreneur. Yeah, it actually started as Plan B, but I cannot unsee the difference. And yeah, so sana pala noon pa nakita ko na siya, nakita ko na to. Hindi pa ako nahirapan. So anyway, that is part of the it's part of life, and yeah, now I can actually appreciate more kung ano yung meron dito. So yeah, back to the topic, how to use social media the right way. Okay. There are just two ways eh. It's either you use it to waste your time, no intention, you just use it for entertainment, that's given, or use it to change your life. Okay, because now social media, if mapapansin nyo, there are a number of people na naging successful, na they've been earning so much and through social media. And sometimes pa nga, hindi pa siya planned. Kasi medyo ano ko dyan, medyo curious ako sa mga ganyan. May mga pag na may pangalan, let's say si sa YouTube, si Mr. Beast. So, 'di ba? Yung mga ganun na siya na yung number one earner, 'di ba? Just by social media. Okay, so that means siya ginamit niya ang social media wisely. He did not use social media to just waste his time, but he used it. He learned about the social media and used it for his advantage. So, ayun yon. And kaya nakadepende yan kung paano natin gagamitin ang social media. Nasa atin lang din naman yun. How we can how can we take advantage of what the social media can bring us or can help us. Okay. Now, there are more simple ways, sabihin na natin, that we can use the social media, as I've mentioned, wisely. Okay, and intentionally. One of that is to learn new skills. Na nakakaaliw ang social media para sa akin kasi ngayon nakikita ko na ang dali palang matutunan ng mga bagay-bagay. yung nakaka-amaze siya na kasi syempre we are scrolling on social media, sometimes just while I wanted to learn something, search ako dyan, and then may makikita ko mga related articles, related na nagbibigay sila for free ng learnings. And anong gagawin mo? Free yan, 'di ba? So if you are wise enough, you will take advantage of it. 'Di ba? So, that is one thing. Okay. And ang daming matututunan sa social media. With the help of social media, ngayon, digital marketing is one of the most searched topic in social media because it works. And yun nga, we are just so lucky enough na ang business namin na dito ay umiikot din sa digital marketing. So, ano pa yung mga natututunan natin? content creation. Ang dali pa lang gumawa ng reels, ang dali pa lang gumawa ng carousel. Dati, nakakatawa, hindi ko alam yung ano ang ibig sabihin ng carousel. Sabi ko, carousel, di yung may kabayo, yung alam mo, literal,
Merry-go-round.
oo, merry-go-round. Sabi ko, ano kaya yun? Hindi ko siya talaga alam. Search ako sa Google. So, naging best friend ko si Google, naging best friend ko na si YouTube, naging best friend ko si ChatGPT. Doon ko nalalaman, naiintindihan, yung pala yun, mga pictures pala yun na marami na ganito, ganyan. So, imagine if walang social media or walang, let's say, walang internet, sabihin na natin as a whole. Parang ang hirap isipin ngayon, no? Na sobrang magiging limited yung gusto nating malaman ng isang bagay pero there's no way, there's no means to find out yung sagot doon. Pero ngayon, everything is given, everything is readily available sa atin. We just have to really know how to use it. Okay, and there's more. Okay, nabanggit kanina ni Ate Liz. Social media build connections. Right? Ang layo namin sa isa't isa. Sa ibang mundo ko. Sila may snow, ako puro disyerto, puro alikabok. Pero we've been connected, and how? Because of social media, because of this business, because of this global digital business that we are all part of. All right. So, and what else? Through social media, gamitin mo siya to share value. Ang dami-dami ng gumagawa nito. Through their contents, they are sharing value, and people are learning from it. People are getting idea, this posible pala to. Like businesses, kahit mga small, yung parang home-based businesses, yung mga maliliit na negosyo. So, people are sharing their life, yun ang nakakatuwa doon kasi hindi na parang wala nang damot ba sa panahon ngayon pagdating sa knowledge, pagdating sa ganitong mga opportunities. People are willingly sharing it. 'Di ba? Kasi parang ang sarap nga naman talaga sa pakiramdam na hindi mo alam, nag-share ka lang ng ganito, napanood mo isa, natutunan niya, ginawa niya, nag-succeed siya, nakatulong ka. 'Di ba? So ganun yung parang nagiging domino effect na niyan. Okay, and what else? Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko nga, yung social media, if you use it wisely, it can create opportunities. Ito yon, ito yon. Ako, I'm so grateful na because of this, nakita ko itong opportunity, nag-exist pala siya. Sana noon pa. sana noon pa ako naging aware na may mga ganitong mga bagay. And nowadays, people are searching, they know that there is something in the internet, in the digital era, in the digital realm na magagamit natin to really improve our life. Side hustles, businesses, ang dali through social media, madali ka makahanap ng clients because now hindi na limited. As Ate Liz mentioned earlier, now hindi na siya limited because through social media it is in a larger scale, worldwide, global. So meaning if you have a business at ilagay mo siya sa internet, ikumpara mo sa traditional business, your reach is just within your vicinity, the local area, and that's it. Hanggang dun na lang. Pag nag-branch ka, siguro okay, another place. Pero ang digital business, ginagawa rin namin, and other digital business out there, ang lawak, anywhere. Every corner of the globe, andyan siya. Makikita siya. So, ayan, it's just that tanggapin na natin, let's face it, the digital era is here. We cannot run away from it. We have to embrace it. We just have to embrace it and take advantage of it. Kasi hindi na yan naalis. We have to adapt para hindi tayo maiwanan. Because if we will, resist it, there's no benefit for us. But if you do it otherwise, mas malaki ang magiging effect and maitutulong sa atin sa buhay natin. So as I've said, instead of being afraid about it, let's just learn how to use it wisely. And yun po ang sa akin. And I hope guys, mga nanonood, you found value in this, and I hope it will somehow open your eyes for what it truly is. Ayun. Salamat po.
Thanks, Ched.
You're welcome. Ayan. So,
Volume mo, Sis Wilms. Volume. Nakamute ka.
Okay, naka-mute pala na ako.
Yes.
Ayan.
and
Coach, ikaw na.
Oh, okay.
Taogan muna sa iyo.
Nakamute man kaya ako kasubago. So, ayan, base sa mga nadangugta, sa mga magagayong kong pag-iriba, ay halat mo na. Ako po pala si Mary Jean. Excited.
excited.
So, ako po si Mary Jean Tubong Albay. So, pareho ni Sis Lisa, taga-Albay din ako. So, yun. And I came here sa Canada 27 years ago through the Live-in Caregiver Program. Saro na po akong ina na may tulong yung adults na aki. And then current, I used to work in the financial services bago ko na ako ay ining digital business na ini, pero stay at home mom din po ako. So saro na rin po akong coach digdi sa samuyang business. So yan. So that's about me a little bit. So yan, ngani po base sa mga nadangugta sa kapwa ko magagayo na pag-iriba. Sarong bagay ang talagang klaro. Ang social media ay yun na ang super powerful talaga siya, 'di ba? Pero ang real power bako sa platform itself. The real power is the person behind the story. Base po iyan sa sakong personal experience. 27 years ago, nagdigdi po ako sa Canada haling Pilipinas through the Live-in Caregiver Program. Life was not easy. 'Di ba? Parehas kang mga kapwa ko immigrants and parents. I experienced struggles, sacrifices, uncertainty, and moments where I worry deeply about our future. So, naging stay-at-home mom po ako while raising our children and helping care for family. At one point, feeling ko I was only about surviving, paying bills, and trying to make ends meet. But social media opened a door I never expected. Not because I became famous, di ba? Sabi ni Sis Dals, bako man kita mga artista. Not because I was perfect, but because I started showing up for myself. Pig-share ko po ang sakong journey, some lessons, and my family life. So, may pig-share ko din po ang sakuyang mga struggles and victories, my growth as a wife, mother, immigrant, and ordinary working woman, or ordinary mom, stay-at-home mom, trying to build a better future for my family. And little by little, nakakonect po ang mga tao, di ba? Not because dahil perpekto ako, but because naging totoo po ako sa sakuyang sa diri. Sa ngunyam po, dakol sa satuya ang nagsisearch online. Mako lang sa produkto. But for hope, for inspiration, for possibilities. Di ba? For someone relatable who understand their situation. And that's why nagtutubod po ako na your story matters. Daita po aram kung sisay ang silently watching our journey and finding courage because we decided to share honestly. Social media today is no longer just an entertainment. It has become a tool na nag-i-educate, nag-i-inspire. We connect and even create opportunities for our families. But we also need wisdom in how we use it. Instead of only consuming content all day, nagagamit na po ang social media to learn new skills, grow personally. Yun nga di po, nagbanggit na yan kang sa kuya mapag-iriba, build connections, and create something meaningful. Ang sarong post po can encourage someone. One video can inspire action. And ang saro pong message can change someone's direction in life. And sa kadaklang pong families today, social media has opened doors to flexible income opportunities that were not available before. Yan po ang nakuami digdi sa social media. That's why po pigsi-share ni ini. That's why I always encourage people, don't underestimate small beginnings. Daita po kay puhan na maging expert, di ba? And daita kaipuhan ning dakulo na followers. Kaipuhan talang po yung willingness to learn, grow, and take action. Because dahil po digdi sa satuyang digital era ngunyan, opportunities are no longer limited by location, background, or age. Ordinaryo pong tao, nagkakaigwa na pong access to extraordinary possibilities. And if used with integrity, purpose, and positivity, social media can truly become a blessing not only for ourselves, but for our families and for others too. So yan lang po ang maisi-share ko, and thank you so much everyone for watching, and hope nakakuha po kamo ning value sa samuyang pig-share ngunyan na aldaw. Thank you. Back to you, Sis Wilma.
Thanks,
Ayan.
Coach.
Ayan. So, ako na po. So, maidagdag ko lang, since sabi nga ni Ngunyan ng social media na yun na ang new trend, yun na ang search engine, 24/7 minsan sobra-sobra pa dahil nakukonsume ang satuyang mga time. So, be careful what you consume online. Kasi nga ni, part of entertainment, pag mayong ginagawa, o may hinahanap, pero natatrap, kang mga nahihiling ta dyan. So, be very careful po. Kasi kami ay sabi ko na nagtatrabaho sa online kasi nag-ano kami ng business sa online. We experienced that also. We would like, gusto ming i-share sa Indo na yung kung ano man ang na-encounter nindo, na-experience nindo, kami araw din kaan. So, be very careful po with your time, consuming your time with the social media. So, although ang social media is part of our life na sa entertainment, pag naboboring, pero syempre, ang kaiba dyan, ang opportunities. So, kasi iyan na yun ang lifetime nyo nasa computer age na kisa. So, because of the social media, using too much time, pag minsan nakakalingaw kita, nakaka-apekto din yan sa satuyang mga mindset. Pag ang nahihiling ka puro negatibo, ang emotion, very very powerful na kasi visual iyan. And then, even our goals in life will change or will affect us depende sa nahihiling sa online space. So, be very careful po. So, sometimes, there are tendency na we compare ourselves to other people or to our neighbor, to our friends. It affects really our emotion. And yung minsan na insecure kita, kasi bakit si darog ka yan, bakit ako arog ka ini. wealth. Yan, mindset na nga ni. So, yun lang po ang mga pinaka-ano na downside tang masasabi sa online space. Kasi pag nalilingaw kita o na di kita nagiging aware sa intention ta sa ano, kung bakit kita nagsi-search. Yun lang, medyo ano baga, nadadivert. Kumbaga intention ta is mag-search ng how DIY. And then may naka-attract sa tuyang nagkikinang-kinang dyan or daog makita, nalingawan ta na so intention ta, why kita nagsi-search sa online. So yun lang po, very, very careful. So, but of course, with the right, ano naman, yung focus lang and then alam ta kung ano itong, ano ta, yung intention natin is may direction, ayan, hindi tayo mawawala. So, yun po. And then, so, may i-add ka mo. So, ma-wrap up na kita. What time is it now? Over an hour already.
Before kita po highlight ko lang yung mga nag-comment sa to. Shout out to Coach Gina. She's one of our lolas in the business.
Natanda mo si Coach.
Great
Yeah, she's based
grandmother.
here in. Yes, when I met her, sabi niya sa lola ko na daw siya. Kasi
Bicolana ba siya?
we live in the same city.
Bicolana
Because she's, no po,
No.
no. Because she is old in the business, but she's technically younger than me. And then si Kuya Pio
Kuya Pio.
po, one of our ka-Biscolanja. We miss you, Kuya Pio. Show up ka naman next time. And then, meron pang message si Coach Gina. Yes. Yeah, sabi niya, congratulations sa inyong mga success journey and thank you for sharing the opportunity and inspiration. Walang excuse sa ating pangarap. We just need to take a bold and serious action and we are all here to support and help each other. So reach out to them and check it out for free information. Salamat po sa suporta. And then yun, yung mga mga personal na. So, gabusman po igwaning ang tawag gani link na nahihilig sa tuyang ano. So, everyone is welcome kung si pang interesado or curious kung ano ang mga pinagsasabi midigdi, kung ano ang ginigiribo mi sa buhay. May mga link po kami, may mga website po kami dyan na pwede nindong i-search up and then mag-register ka mo with your valid name and email address. And then, yeah, you're gonna know more details about us. Okay, any more additional?
Ayan. So, thank you so much po for whoever is watching live or maybe you will be panood nindo hindi ng replay. So, thank you so much. So, truly, ang social media po talaga is a very powerful tool for everything and anything. So, one thing we want to emphasize is social media is not just an entertainment, it's also an opportunity. It opens doors to us. So take this opportunity, not just keep on scrolling and entertaining yourself. Even us, sometimes we're trapped into that.
Yeah.
So, yan po, very powerful tool na social media, learning platform from anywhere, from Facebook, from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Google, you name it, there's more. And then, connection. Igdi, di mo kami magkabiristo, magkaigwa kami ng business partners from other side of the world. That's the power of the internet, of the working in the online world. So, ang hapot mi lang po, are you using it wisely? Are you using it intentionally? To grow yourself, your finances, or for personal growth, or to connect with other people. And, mailing man po nindo igdi, kung isa igdi ang medyo ang aranin na sa retirement. So, ibig sabihin po, no matter how you age, young or ano ka man dyan, medyo nasa retirement ka na, welcome po kamo sa online space, bako lang sa muya. Kadakol pong opportunity. Dahil po kang maghadid kasi it's normal na ano ka mo, hindi maging skeptical ka mo, mag-doubt ka mo kung kaya nindo dahil kasi normal po yan kami nag-agi din dyan. That's why we are here in the online space to share po sa Indo kung ano ang mga real, behind the scene na na-experience namin. So, no matter po kung ano yan, kung anong estado ka mo ng buhay, may kwarta umayo, basta may gusto, may paraan. Sabi nga, pag gusto, may dahil, may
paraan.
Ayaw, may dahilan.
Maraming dahilan.
Diba? So, and sometimes, yung mga video o yung mga message, minsan yan ang tatao sa tuya ng hint. Diba? Yung emotion, sa muya, sa kuya, daiman purposely magtrabaho, magkaiwa akong business online. Ang gusto ko, work online, job pa din. But for some reason, na-attract ako, na-touch ako, that's the beginning of it ng aking online journey. So, thank you once again everyone, whoever is watching. Sabi nga ni Sis Das, just connect po kamo sa muya. Yan po sa screen, may link din daw sa muya mga website. Kung kamo nasa UAE, gusto niyo mag-connect, ayan si Sis Jen. Kung nasa UK, si Sis Lisa. Montreal, me in Alberta. And sa BC o Vancouver, si Sis Dalsian. O kung gusto man niyo so taga-Naga, taga-Albay, taga-Daraga, o kang Norte.
Well represented.
O yan. Okay. So just connect po sa muya. Iwa kaming pre-webinar or info session every 2 beses, 1 linggo. So, mamili lang kamo kung busy man, mag-register lang and then watch ka mo ng replay. So, yun lang po and happy weekend. It's long weekend here.
Long weekend.
Yes!
Victoria Day.
Hindi pa next week.
Wow.
Ayan.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye,
everyone. Thank you for
everyone.
Thank you everyone
watching.
for tuning in. See you next time.
See you next
Bye.
time.
Yun.
Bye ako ng bye. Ako pala ang
Ang cute.
Oh, naka-live pa. Naghali siya.
Live na.
Iwanan niyo tayo.
Oo nga. Hindi pa natin tumano kasi live pa rin tayo. So,
Paano mababay na katakain?
kasi live pa rin eh. So, yan pa rin. Kung sino gusto
Welcome to the show.
nakaka-relate sa akin.
Sino si natanggal.
Oh, yes.
Please, live pa kita.
Mapo.
Live pa kita, girl.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ay,
Bigyan ka naghali. Tapos,